Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you have been searching for remote jobs in Nigeria that actually pay, especially ones where you can get paid just to chat online, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you real platforms that pay Nigerians to chat from the comfort of your home. No experience required. These are perfect if you are looking for work from home jobs in Nigeria in 2025. So guys, let's be honest. Finding legit online jobs for Nigerians isn't always easy. But thousands of people are already using these platforms to earn money online by simply chatting, moderating communities, or offering customer support all remotely. So guys, whether you're a student, unemployed, or just trying to make some extra cash, these remote chat jobs that pay Nigerians are a great option. So guys, I'll be sharing this video. So let's break it down, and here are some websites you can try right now. So guys, the first website right here is simply called, the first platform right there is simply called Remotely For You, and this one is a bit on the edge, right? Remotely For You offers anonymous chat jobs, usually text-based and flexible, but it is not like super popular yet. And some people say they actually got in and got paid, others not so much. All right, so you will want to test it for yourself, and just be aware that some of the chats may lean toward adult or flirt type content. So adult or flirt type content. So of course you can simply try it out, but with low expectations. All right. So now this is the website. Let's quickly go through everything and see what we have right here. Remotely For You, you become a chat operator and work from, right? And this is done in 3 simple steps. All right, so now your easy application, the first part of the application is only asking for your name and email. We will send you more info about the process once we have confirmed your email. And the next one is ID verification. You must be over 18 years of age to be accepted to receive payments. Now we are required by law to conduct a simple ID verification. And the next one right here is online training. After you're done with the ID verification, you then go for online training, and once your application has been approved and you have been verified, you will need to complete the relevant training before you are ready to start. So guys, that's it. And what will you be chatting about on Remotely For You? Now we help thousands of lonely Americans every day to have a more meaningful everyday life by expressing themselves online with anonymous fantasy characters. Our users write online text messages to fictional people on a fantasy chat platform. Your job is to answer them and make conversation. You will chat about everything from everyday life, such as sports or the weather, to dreams, fantasies, and other topics. An open mind is needed. All right, like I said, this first platform, the chats may lean toward adult or flirt type content. So you have to take note of that. So if you are okay with it, you can go ahead and apply. All right. So guys, this is the first platform. So guys, make sure you stick with me right to the end of this video. It is very important. All right. So I'll make sure you actually like this video and also subscribe if you are here, if you are yet to do that. All right. So now the next platform right there is simply called CloudWorkers. Now this one does pay, and of course they accept Nigerians, but heads up. All right, now it is an adult chat site, just like the first one. You are basically chatting with people looking for entertainment, not customer service. So take note of that. But if you are also comfortable with that, it can actually pay decently. So take note of that, because what we're looking for right here is to actually make money, right? So it can actually pay decently, especially if you are consistent. So if you are consistent, it is very important. Take note of that, consistent. But again, this is not for everyone. All right. Now let's quickly take a look at their website, what they are all about. As you can see right here, they have been around since 2015. So guys, that means they are legit. So imagine a company that has been around since 2015. So now CloudWorkers was founded in 2015 and it's one of the largest, most successful and thriving chat moderation companies operating worldwide. So this is also available in Nigeria. So take note of that. And we provide our chat moderators based around the world with the opportunity to earn a reliable income and also grow with us. All that is required is a computer and a stable internet connection. And these are the job benefits. So whether you wish to work from home or from the other side of the globe, you choose when and where you want to work. All that is required is a computer, a stable internet connection, and a competent language skills. All right, so take note of that. I will guarantee you a regular income, long-term employment, and opportunities for professional growth and advancement. Now, this is the job description. Let's quickly take a look at this. Our chat moderators are engaged in text-based online chat in one or more online social community platforms. Now, their objective is to animate those communities, stimulate conversations, and thereby cultivate long-lasting relationships. Creating an engaging and imaginative experience for customers is key to the success of this enterprise. Our chat moderators entertain customers, build rapport, and develop lasting relationships with customers by making the customer feel good about themselves. Alright, now chat moderators working with CloudWorkers are provided with flexible, exciting, and uncomplicated opportunities to utilize their language skills and earn a reliable monthly income as an independent freelance moderator with positions available either on a part-time or full-time basis. All right, so guys, I need to take a look at this. You can simply go through everything, all right, to actually know what is expected of you in order to actually get started on this second platform. So guys, now the next one right here is simply called Premium.Chat. Now here's something different. Premium.Chat pays you to offer advice, coaching, or just friendly conversation. Now think of it like paid video or text chats. You simply set your rate and you also decide the topic. So this is really amazing. And so it is ideal if you have got a niche. Maybe you are great at relationships, mental health tips, or study hacks. Maybe you are good at this, you know how to talk about all this. It is not like others, all right? It gives you control, but you will need to promote your link and build a little brand around yourself. So take note of that. So you need to actually promote your link outside this platform. So guys, let's take a look at what this platform is all about. All right, so now as you can see right here, get paid to chat with clients, fans, and followers. So if you want to sign up, you want to click on that sign up for free. All right, and now let's take a look at this. All right, like right here, paid chat the way you want it. So let me scroll down a little bit. Get paid to video call. Premium.Chat is the easiest way to launch a flat rate or pay per minute video call service. Offer any service you want, from professional consultancy to webcams. So guys, you can simply go through everything. Right, get paid to text chat. So voice and video calls are for everyone. So Premium.Chat also support text-based chat, consultancy, and support support services. Get paid to text chat. So guys, you simply want to go through everything quicker. Disclaimer before I move to the next platform. So guys, why all these platforms are currently accepting Nigerians, your experience might vary depending on things like internet connection, verification steps, or demand. All right, and always do your own research and read the terms, and don't pay anyone to get a job. Legit platforms never charge you to apply. All right, so now the next platform right here is Fiverr.com and also Upwork. All right, so now they are the number one. They are the freelance giants. So why do I say freelance giant? Because they give you full control. All right, they give you full control. Fiverr and Upwork. So they give you full control. You can simply create a gig offering live chat support, community moderation, or even virtual assistant services, and reach a global market on Upwork and on Fiverr. So guys, this one, don't take it for granted. All right, so now the thing is, clients, they are already out there actively searching for people from Nigeria who can work remotely. And the thing is, if you optimize your profile well, you will get hired. All right, so if you optimize your profile well, maybe on Upwork or Fiverr, you are definitely going to get hired. The earnings potential right here is massive, and once you build trust, you can earn consistently either on Upwork or Fiverr. Alright, so you can simply go to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and create an account for yourself, and also set up your gig maybe around virtual assistant services, or maybe live chat support or community moderation. So you can go to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and set up your gig. Alright, so guys, this is free. Alright, you don't have to pay no one to actually get started on these platforms. So guys, take note of that. So now guys, if you have been wondering how to make money online in Nigeria, these chat-based remote jobs are a great place to start. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more weekly videos on remote jobs for Nigeria, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on how to apply for any of these platforms. See you in the next one, and remember, consistency is key when it comes to working online.